Good morning. Good morning, you guys. We are going to eat some fall-inspired plant-based recipes. I'm not trying to look super bloated during the holidays, so I'm going to show you what I'm going to eat, and I'm hungry, so let's get started.
Baby, I ain't buying no more dreams. So what you selling? My pockets got dry from the boat.
Okay, you guys, just FYI, if you're eating pomegranates, don't wear anything light because it will stain, and I had to take this off. For lunch, I'm gonna make a plant-based tuna-like wrap. So let me show you.
But if you so for real, you could get wet, but not too much. Don't wanna drown a flame, keep that fire lit. Breathe life into it. Now we own my place, always stays true. I won't give my body to nobody new. Can you believe that we could be forever in heat? If you get me till we 6 feet under stress, or if it's all sweet, just hold me down deep. We won't burn out. Here with me, we could be always in heat. My loving, show me devotion I could trust in it. Just don't rush, baby. Ignite my desire for your loving. Slow burn till time combustion. Baby, I'ma need an R&B love from the 90s. Tell me how you would die without me. Spin, move in the rain, drop to your knees. Passion on Venus, never kill the flame, keep that fire lit. Show me why you deserve it. Now we own my place, always stays true. I won't give my body to nobody new. Can you believe that we could be forever in heat? So sweet, just hold me down deep. We won't burn out. Here with me, we could be always. Always, 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 always. Do, yeah. Can make her never wanna leave, so we stay always.
Y'all remember when Au Bon Pain had this butternut apple squash soup? I'm going to try to make that today and see how it goes. All right, y'all, that wasn't what I thought it would be, unfortunately. So back to the drawing board. I know it may not seem like a lot, but I am full. I'm ready for bedtime. Okay, you guys, so that is the end of the video. Listen, I'm in it with you. I'm trying to lose weight too. So feel free to subscribe if you want to see more plant-based recipes. Let me know. Would you ever try any of these recipes? Let me know down below. And if you can, subscribe, like this video if you liked it, and share it with one friend. Try and do or say something kind to someone today. You never know. It might go a long way. Check out these related videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Not too much, don't wanna drown a flame.